Never give up is one of the many great quotes instilled in me over the years by my grandfather. Hello, my name is Dylan Davis, and like all of you, I'm a student here in the online oral communications course. Like many of you, I have many great memories with my grandparents. Today I'm going to talk about 3 times that my grandfather instilled important life lessons into me. First is when I hunted my first turkey. Second is when I caught my first fish. And third is when I drove a car for the first time. Now you can see the important life lessons that my grandfather instilled into me as I hunted my first turkey, caught my first fish, and drove a car for the first time. While you have the chance, you should spend time and learn what your grandparents can teach you. You might be surprised at the results.